Good morning, all of you. Myself, Alok Mathur, Assistant Professor of Center for Electronic Governance, Jaipur. The Center for Electronic Governance is established by Government of Rajasthan, Department of Technical Education, Jaipur. I am thank to Dr. Sandeep Kumar sir. It is also the coordinator of Atal FDP. Again, CEG patterns. The Center for Electronic Governance patterns are Dr. Ashok Gehlot, Honorable CM Rajasthan, Dr. Subhash Garg, Honorable Minister Technical Education, and our Secretary Sir Sri Narayan Lalji Meena, IES Secretary to Government of Rajasthan Technical Education, Department of Rajasthan. And again, thank to Dr. Sandeep Kumar, Director of Center for Electronic Governance. CEG is a government institute, it is a department established in 2006 by Department of Technical Education, Government of Rajasthan. His activity at CEG mainly famous for training and faculty development program and skill development related program. He is also the centralized admission cell, state level centralized admission cell for BTech, BE, BR, MBA, MCA, and BHMCT. CEG as the placement hub for government of Rajasthan. CEG also the organized many type of the FDP, Center for Electronic Governance successfully organized many FDP related to Atal Academy, machine learning, Android app development, 3D printing, robotics, computer networking, and office automation, and last में design techniques with AutoCAD. Now I again thank to CEG patterns which give me to opportunity to represent this FDP. Again, I thank to online faculty. Dr. MP Punia sir is the Vice Chairman AICT New Delhi. Dr. MP Punia is presently serving as a Vice Chairman All India Technical Council, All India Council of for Technical Education. He is remained as a Director National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, Chandigarh. Dr. Punia is the of the Bharat Mata Award confirmed by the Indian Institute of Oriented Heritage. He is also I am very thankful. He is also the former director of Center for Electronic Governance, Jaipur. I also thank to Atal Academy core team, Srimati Mamta Rani Agrawal, which is the advisor, Amit Dutt, Deputy Director, Dr. Girdhari Lalji Garg, Assistant Director. Main objective of Atal Academy is to plan and help in imparting quality technical education in the country and to support technical institute in the foreign research, innovation, entrepreneurship through training in various emerging ideas. Atal Academy have gone totally online from registration to faculty member till certificate. It is the purely online training program. Registration is also the online and certification and training is online process. This FDP is related to 3D printing and design. The 3D printing is a process where a 3D design is turned into a real object. Software many types of the software used for 3D printing and design. Software is used for to slice the 3D design into layers and then the designing is printed layer by layer in the 3D printer. The technical term for 3D printing is additive manufacturing. You saw many times the additive manufacturing is used for 3D printing. The public almost exclusive use the 3D printing. I now again thank to teachers and expert. Dr. Sandeep Kumar is the Director, Center for Electronic Governance, Jaipur. He has PhD, MNIT, MBA and BE. Thank to another faculty, Professor G.S. Dangayes sir from MNIT, He is the professor in HAG PhD Industrial Engineering from IIT Delhi. Dr. Amit Singh sir, assistant professor PhD Mechanical from BITS Pilani, and he is also the assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering MNIT Jaipur. Dr. Subir Devanand, sports officer, he is the PhD exercise philosophy from Jivaji University Gwalior. Another faculty, Dr. Pawan Kumar Rakesh sir, is from the assistant professor Department of Mechanical Engineering, the National Institute of Technology Uttarakhand. Dr. Vikas Kunsal, Dr. Ashish Kumar, Dr. Sumit Srivastav, and Dr. Pramod Kumar Arya or Dr. Saurabh Bhaskar. These are all the well-known and the well-knowledgeable faculty of this FDP. I am also the thankful all the participants which join this FDP. I am thankful to all the participants to join this FDP. Now I again tell you, first of all the candidates, all the participants should fill the feedback form of Atal Academy. First of all, login in Atal Academy and then click on feedback. This is the must be used for certificate. The certificate is the process where first of all you fill feedback form, second you give the exam with 60% marks, and third attend the overall workshop या overall FDP with 80% attendance. This is the necessity for FDP. Please, all the candidates are join FDP. Thankful. And now, 1 minute. Now we start the test paper. First of all, any other user wants to anything about the FDP? Dr. Anil Dhankad sir, can you hear? Anil Dhankad sir? Gunaram sir? Any users wants to feedback about the FDP? Kuldeep Sharma sir? Once a minute. Any other wants to take any information or feedback about the Atal FDP? Pradeep sir, are you here? Pradeep sir? Yes sir. सर आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है, वॉइस नहीं आ रही है प्रदीप सर. यस सर. हाँ सर. यस योगेश सर.
सर ये ट्रेनिंग बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. शेड्यूल यहाँ पर इसका वर्किंग शेड्यूल भी अच्छा लगा और it was very knowledgeable training and thank you very much for team CAG.
Thank you sir. Any other person wants to say about the FDP?
Lani. I am
Yes,
from
sir.
Government Engineering College, Ajmer.
Thank you,
I'd
sir.
like to thank you
Sir,
for
वीडियो स्टार्ट कर
organizing.
लें. वीडियो बदलानी सर, वीडियो स्टार्ट कर लें.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I would like to thank you for organizing such a practical application-oriented FDP, wherein we came to know more about the usage of 3D printing. And I'd like to thank all the experts, eminent speakers for enlightening us during this FDP. Especially, I'd like to thank Dr. Sandeep, who organized this FDP, and thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Any other person? Again inform about the test papers. Our test paper, yeah, our online paper is reach you through Google form. I share you all the participant to your email ID. First of all, I send this paper to your email ID and also the WhatsApp group. First of all. Second cheez, I again to inform about the one information about the Atal Academy Delhi learning a learning test is also the organized. A learning test is also the organized regarding Atal Academy Faculty Development Training Program. This screening test was conducted on today on the time of 7 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. This is the compulsory exam for Atal Academy. You are है ना, तो टाइमिंग क्या रहेगा टेस्ट पेपर का 7 p.m. to 7:50 only 15 minutes. This link will be shared to you through Gmail and your login. I again thank you to all the participants. 1 minute. I send the test paper, so please enjoy with papers in your email ID and this WhatsApp group also. Please join and attend the paper. Thank you. And learning test will also be sent to 7 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. A learning test is also sent to you in around the 6 p.m. But this test paper will also attend, and this is also the Google form. This is the screening test which is conducted by Atal Academy, New Delhi. So please attend this test paper also. First of all, you attend this paper which I give you in Google form.
Sir, is it available WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. WhatsApp and email also.
Okay.
Oh, both of the source for attend exam. Only 20 questions, normal questions. Thank you, sir.